Hi, I'm Dr. Champagne, a contributor to Dental Product Shopper. Our team of over 1,000 independent evaluators are all dental professionals, just like you. They eagerly use and evaluate products in their practices and then share their experiences with their peers. Today, we're going to focus on our evaluation of Harmonize Universal Composite from Kerr Restorative. Let's learn about this product and find out what our evaluators had to say about using it in their practices. Harmonize was designed with adaptive response technology. During sculpting, this technology allows the material to be soft and easy to shape, but it won't stick to instruments. Then, when sculpting is complete, the viscosity increases to help prevent slumping. The adaptive response technology behind Harmonize also helps to diffuse and reflect light in the same way as human enamel, thereby enhancing its chameleon effect. And the material's nanoparticle filler network provides structural integrity so that it blends naturally with surrounding teeth. Final restorations are both strong and aesthetic. Now we'll take a look at what the independent evaluators at Dental Product Shopper had to say about Harmonize Universal Composite. 15 of our evaluators participated in this evaluation in their practices. They looked at 7 separate criteria during their evaluation, and here they are. Some of the highest individual scores were given to marginal adaptation, 4.8, final aesthetics and shade match, 4.8, sculptability, 4.7, and delivery method, 4.6. The final score for Harmonize is 4.6 out of 5, making it a Dental Product Shopper Best Product. Commenting on handling and sculptability, Dr. Mary Gaddis said, "The material is packable but not too dense, while also smooth enough for precise sculpting. The placement of the composite is ideal." Dr. Thomas DeCellis noted that the handling and adaptability to margins were much better than other composites. Dr. Charles Katua summed up his evaluation of Harmonize by saying, "I'm seriously considering switching over to this composite." That's our report on Kerr Restorative's Harmonize Universal Composite, a best product according to our independent evaluators at Dental Product Shopper. For complete evaluation results and to post your own review of Harmonize and thousands of other products, visit dentalproductshopper.com. I'm Richard Champagne, and thanks for watching.